Election Commission of India (ECI) has delisted 334 registered unrecognized political parties (RUPPs) for non-compliance with mandatory provisions under Section 29A of the Representation of Peoples Act 1951. As per the ECI, there are currently 6 national parties, 67 state parties, and 2,854 RUPPs. After the latest action, the total number of RUPPs has come down to 2,520. Guidelines state that any political party failing to contest elections for 6 consecutive years or not updating essential information such as office address and office bearers is liable to be removed from the list of registered parties. In June 2025, the ECI directed Chief Electoral Officers of state and union territories to verify 345 RUPPs for compliance. After conducting inquiries, issuing show cause notices, and holding personal hearings, 334 parties were found to have violated the rules, while 11 cases have been sent back for re-verification. The delisted RUPPs will no longer be entitled to benefits under Section 29B and 29C of the RP Act 1951, relevant provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961, and the Election Symbols, Reservation and Allotment Order 1968. Aggrieved parties have been given 30 days to appeal. The ECI said the exercise is part of the continuous effort to clean up the electoral system and ensure transparency in the functioning of the political parties.